know that the order you bring your designs in on screen is the order they're going to stitch out. But on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3, we do have options to resort the designs after you've brought them in. So after you stitch, if you find this design should stitch before this one, it's okay to come back and readjust. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we have tons of free video tutorials on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3. So I hope you'll check out the complete playlist. There's a link in the description. But let's just talk about bringing in a design. Bring in some lettering. And then you realize that you might want one more of these hearts mirror imaged on the other side. So if we added a second one and touched the mirror image function, you're going to notice that this one is going to stitch out on top of our letters because of the order that we have brought them in. Now normally that would mean that we would need to change the order, delete something, bring it in the right order. But now with the option to change the layers, we can change and pick a design and then move it up or down in the sequence order. So it's really nice that we have this option so we can almost see how it's going to stitch before we stitch it out and realize, oh no, that was supposed to stitch number 2 instead of number 3. So on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3, if you can load up all your designs and then figure out your order, that's okay now, using the wonderful features and functions we have on this machine. If you want to learn more about this machine, we have online courses such as our most popular course, the Embroidery Essentials course. If you want to learn more about the sewing side, we've got the Husqvarna Viking Stitching Cosmos online course and a very popular course for our Viking users with Wi-Fi capability, our Husqvarna Viking Boot Camp online course. I hope to see you in one of our classes soon.